Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is share certificate, really, or stock certificate. If you've ever bought a stock and you buy it from, say, E-Trade, they usually hold your certificates for you in electronic form or book form at the broker-dealer. Now, it's important to know something that people don't pay attention to. Actually, when E-Trade buys a stock for you, they buy it for their own account, and they put it in your sub-account, but you really never see that. That share certificate's important. In the early 20s and 30s, when share certificates were a problem and they were printing a lot of them, eventually people wanted delivery of the certificate to make sure they had protection, that they had something in form, paper form, that they felt good about, that they would have in their hands. Today, it's largely not needed. It's largely electronic, these certificates. Share certificates are created by the company to show proof of ownership. They're issued a specific ID number with a certain number of shares. Usually not used that much anymore, but they're still around. They call them paper certificates. You'd have to deposit them. They're somewhat of a pain to do that, but still used today. I'll give you an important side note about share certificates. This is gonna go back a ways. It's a good story. I particularly think it is, actually. So, we all know about Warren Buffett and the Giving Pledge with Melinda and Bill Gates. Warren Buffett committed to giving a certain dollar amount to the Gates Foundation. His shares were in certificate form at Berkshire Hathaway. He went down to his bank one day, he got out his share certificates, he deposited them at a broker-dealer, and they were worth around $30 billion. He had them sitting in a safe deposit box, and he ultimately gave those to the foundation so they could sell them off, convert them into cash over time to fund the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. These share certificates are still used commonly. You hear stories all the time about people who have share certificates that their grandpa bought in AT&T 100 years ago. Today's word is share certificate. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.